Hello! Welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Ito yung ways kung paano makakapagpabook ng reading sa akin. This is career, love, reading. So, Libra, what do we have here for you? Pagdating sa iyong career, messages pagdating sa iyong career. For the sign of Libra. Pasensya ka na kung naalog-alog yung camera, nakapatong lang kasi yung stand ko sa table. Hopefully, ay makuha ko yung energy mo. Kung hindi ko makuha, ibigay mo sa iba ang reading na ito. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, kahit heart-heart lang guys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Para sa career, alam mo ang okay na career sa'yo, you are a Libra. You want balance, no? Career wherein merong tamang partnership dito. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Both of you are willing to give and willing to, uh, you know, i-work out itong new beginning na ito. The Nine of Cups is here and the Knight of Wands. Nine of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Strength card. Oh, wow. The Lovers, dalawang major arcana. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi mo na kailangan magsalita. Once you have already, nakapag-offer ka, nakapagsalita ka na or whatever, hindi mo na kailangan gatungan ng gatungan yun eh. No? Pagdating sa career, there's a person who would actually see yung things na kaya mong i-offer, things na kaya mong ibigay. I can see Gemini energy. I'm seeing a person who is currently stuck. No? And I feel like itong person na to is gusto niyang umalis dun sa pagka-stuck niya in order for you two na magkaroon ng partnership or maybe even relationship para sa iba. Sobrang nasasaktan itong person na to. Yung iba, this is career reading, pero nahahaluan ng love. So, pwedeng may love involved sa connection na to, not just career, parang money and love, parang love with career na siya na parang pwedeng yung pag-uusap nyo kasi it's not just about relationship, etc. Pwedeng may partnership. So, pwedeng may other person or other situation na involved dito. Pwedeng career, pwedeng siya ay may kasalukuyan, may career pa, so hindi niya kaya makipag-commit sa'yo. Or if there's love involved, pwedeng third party or the third person is not allowing itong person na ito na maging fully open pagdating sa'yo. So, may boundaries or whatever. But, I can see na the best person for you is the one na kaya kang partneran pagdating sa money and yeah, it's better to have a partnership with na dito sa taong to kasi pero yung dapat yung pareho kayong may ginagawa, pareho kang may effort sa connection, not just you na ang nagagawa or gumagalaw dito sa connection na ito. Hindi ganun yun, hindi yun tama, hindi yun mag-workout para sa'yo pag ikaw lang ng ikaw. That's not a partnership. Pwedeng ang ending nun, ginagamit ka lang. Nagagamit ka naman. Nagpapagamit ka naman. Parang ganon. Pagdating sa love, what is the messages for Libra, please? Messages for Libra. Pagdating sa love. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra. For the sign of Libra, please. Okay, you do have here the Page of Cups, the Page of... This is someone who is young. Three of Wands. Eight of Cups is here. Two of Swords. The Devil. Someone is missing you. I-miss ka niya. This could be a young person or maybe I'm seeing a person with a child. So, pwedeng may anak. This person miss you so much. I-miss ka niya. Naalala ka niya. Naalala niya yung, or if you are the one na may anak, naalala ka niya at yung anak mo, mga anak mo. Parang gano'n. Two of Swords is here. I feel like may distance or pagka-cut off na nangyari, pagdedesisyon about the connection, and then pwedeng nagkaroon ng pagkakalayo or pagkakahiwalay sa inyong dalawa. But I feel like this person, ano siya kung nagkaroon ng ending, it is not because of you or this person na decision. It could be because of another person. No? Pwedeng because of that another person na involved sa connection, pwedeng siya yung naging dahilan, siya yung nagdesisyon about kung bakit kayo nagkahiwalay or nagkalayo nito person na ito. Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. For the sign of Libra, messages for the sign of Libra pagdating sa love. Yeah, nakita tayo dito ng broken hearted energy. Pag-aaway, I feel like if you're dealing with someone na may pamilya or may kakonect wherein medyo nag-level up na yung connection nila, may family na involved. Pwedeng they are already engaged, ganun, or kilala na siya ng pamilya niya, pamilya ng kakonect niya, and etc. I can see pag-aaway sa kanila and big change pagdating sa relationship nila. So, it's not good. It's not good. The lovers is here. This is Gemini energy. Hindi maganda communication nakikita natin dito eh. Someone here is being irrational. This could be a person in the past. Tsaka, this is the moon. This is Pisces energy. Not enough trust ang nakikita natin. Na pwedeng nagiging dahilan para hindi na maging sigurado sa connection. And that would lead into the Tower. This is separation. So, pwede magkaroon ng separation pagdating sa person na ito at sa person na kakonect niya. So, what is, kunin natin yung future for you, Libra. In the near future, what is waiting for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Kunin natin yung future sa money and then near future pagdating sa love. Spirit guys, angel guys for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Pagdating sa money. Nakaamoy nga pala ako ng Shanghai. Money, King of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Paparating pagdating sa money, career, Eight of Cups. I can see confusion pagdating sa part mo. Lalo na if there's a career na parang hindi ka na sigurado about this thing. You feel stuck. You feel na hindi mo magawa yung mga gusto mong gawin, dapat mong gawin. About this thing, hindi nagagawa yung goal, etc. So, there's a decision here na kailangan gawin in the near future. I feel like a child or a person who is younger than you, pwedeng matulungan kanya regarding dito. Ano yung decision, etc. Ano magandang gawin. Ano ang naghihintay pagdating sa love for the sign of Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising. The near future for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. In the near future pagdating sa love. Ten of Swords, Death card. The Magician and the Seven of Swords. The Wheel of Fortune. The guys, I'm really sorry. Hindi sa lahat to, guys. Hindi sa lahat. Give me message or sign kung para kanino tong reading na to kasi ayokong yung iba mag-overthink ano. Four of Wands. Tell me about this. Okay. Ten of Wands. At the bottom of the deck, Ten of Swords. Well, honestly, I can see an ending pagdating sa love for you, Libra. Pag-aaway. Ito pag-aaway na to, hindi magdudulot ng maganda. Pwede magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago. And I can see pag-iwas, paglayo, pag-cut off. The Magician is here. This is Virgo energy. Hindi na magkaintindihan eh. You know, yung hindi pagkakaintindihan na yon would lead into separation and ending. Ang hirap eh. Ten of Wands is here. This is someone who don't want to let go but needed to let go. Kailangan ng mag-let go. Dapat nang mag-let go. And I can see bigla ang ending, by the way. So, kung para kanino to itong reading na to, the this is in reverse. Actually, hindi ako nagbabasa masyado ng reversal, but I can see this as a reversal. Why? Kasi mararamdaman ko pag reversal talaga ang card. And this is what I mean by that. Ten of Pentacles. Naramdaman ko yung energy na reversal. This is Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, nakita tayo ng person na who is not yet stable. Not that stable, you know. If you are that person, hindi ka masyadong stable sa ngayon, there's a possibility of an ending pagdating sa relasyon with you or connection, communication, whatever this is. This is because there's not enough trust. Hindi tama, hindi enough yung pagtitiwala pagdating sa relasyon, sa connection. The Fool is here. So I can see that you are the one who is taking the risk for now, kasi financially, pwede nagkakaroon ka ng problema. So, gusto mo mag-take ng risk. No? So, may mga decision ka, action ka na nagpapadalos-dalos ka, but you don't know kung ano talaga. You're just accepting the offer. And hindi mo talaga alam kung anong kahihinatnan yan. So, ito usaping professional if this is you. And if this is you who is currently thinking about family or a particular child, the Page of Pentacles, kung ikaw ito, iniisip mo yung bata or yung family. The Eight of Wands, also a family card. So, nakita tayo dito na in the future, there's an ending for you. Especially if you miss someone or you miss a particular child or a family member, etc. Kung ikaw ito na nakakaramdam ng ganun, this reading is for you. I can see an ending, separation. Actually, sometimes, kailangan naman talagang gawin yan. You cannot, parang nothing is permanent nga sa mundo eh. So, people come and go. And sometimes, kailangan mo i-release yung mga bagay na hindi na okay para sa'yo. It's toxic, etc. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan mo yung reading. Mag-comment ka naman sa baba kung nagustuhan mo. I love you all and bye-bye.